Okay, so now let us talk about multiplication and division of integers. We have here different principles on how to multiply and divide integers. Let's start with like signs. Tandaan nyo lang, if you say like signs, magkakapareho yung mga signs niya. Wherein, dalawa ang involved na integers. Dalawa, palagi. So here, kapag magmamultiply tayo ng mga integers, kapag dalawang positive sign, tandaan ninyo ang product is positive. Kapag dalawang negative signs, ang product pa rin niya is still equal to positive. Kapag dalawang positive signs are divide, ang sagot pa rin ay positive. At kapag dalawang negative signs ang divide, ang sagot na naman ay positive. Tandaan ninyo, kapag like signs, in multiplication and division, the product and the quotient sign shall always be positive. Kaya nandito siya, oh. Positive multiplied by positive is positive. Negative multiplied by negative is still positive. Positive divided by positive is positive. Negative divided by negative is still positive. Ito ay gagamitin kapag ang mga signs ay pareho, involving two integers that are being multiplied or divided. So let's go to unlike signs. In unlike signs, we are going to follow the following principles. The principle, if you are going to multiply and divide integers, if they have two different signs, then the products or the quotient sign must always be negative. Kagaya nito. So, we have here, sa multiplication statement natin, positive multiplied by negative, the product sign is negative. Then, we also have here, negative multiplied by positive, the product sign is still equal to negative. In division, if we are going to divide, let's say we have positive divided by negative, the quotient sign is still negative. Then we have negative divided by positive, again, it is still a negative quotient. So always remember, if we have different signs, if there are two integers that are being multiplied and divided with two different signs, whether it's positive and negative, always remember that their product and the quotient sign must always be negative. Okay, so let us try to take a look at our examples here. We have here like signs. Okay, so again, if you are going to multiply and divide integers with the same signs, the product sign is positive, the quotient sign is also positive. So we have here positive 5 multiplied by 6, or 5 times 6. This is definitely equal to positive 30. No need to write your positive sign because numbers without sign is known to be positive. So here, always take note, in this multiplication sentence, as you can see, both 5 and 6 pareho silang positive, and our product should also be positive. Again, let us try to settle for number 2. We have here two the same signs. The signs are both negative. Again, the principle, if we have two integers being multiplied with the same sign, the result must be positive. So here, negative 7 multiplied by negative 3, this is definitely equal to positive 21 or 21. That's the product. Okay, third example, we have 21 divided by 7. As you see, the numbers or integers, they are both positive. When we divide integers with the same signs, the quotient signs will be positive. So here, 21 divided by 7, the answer is equal to 3. Then next, let us try to solve our fourth example. We have negative 50 divided by negative 10. So again, they have the same signs. Both integers have the same signs. They are both negative. Kaya kapag dinivide ko ito, negative 50 divided by negative 10, the answer is definitely equal to 5 or positive 5. This uh, All of these examples follow the principle. If we have the same signs in division and multiplication, if two integers are being divided and multiplied with the same signs, the quotient or the product signs must always be positive. Okay, what if we have unlike signs? So unlike signs, again, in multiplication division, if we have two the same integers with different signs, meaning to say different signs, we have positive, negative, or vice versa, then the quotient or the product's sign must always be equal to negative. Okay, so let us try to take a look at our fifth example. So, dito, meron tayong 8 multiplied by negative 5. So here, as you can see, as we discern, we have 8, that's positive, and we have negative 5. So we have two integers with different signs. The product will be equal to, what do you think? It's negative 40. Okay, that's the answer. Then here, number 6, we have negative 2 multiplied by 9. Again, we have negative sign, and here we have 9, which is positive, right? We have two different signs. Therefore, when we multiply negative 2 by 9, the answer would be equal to negative 18. Then here in division, we have, this is positive 36 to be divided by negative 4. So we have positive and negative, two different signs. They are unlike signs. Therefore, the quotient sign is equal to negative 9. That's the answer. Okay, then our eighth example, we have negative 45 divided by 9. So we have negative sign and we have positive sign for 9. So they are again different signs. Kaya magiging sagot dyan, it will become negative 45. Pag dinagdag mo ng positive 9, the answer is equal to negative 5. Okay, so let us try to solve for number 9 and number 10. As you can see here, we have four numbers or integers that are to be multiplied all together. So for both 9 and 10. So what we're going to do, we are going to multiply this one at a time, considering still the principle of multiplication of integers. If we have to multiply two numbers with the same sign, the product sign will become positive. Then if we have two different signs, the product sign must be negative. So, isa-isay natin. It will be answered one at a time. So, 2 times 3. 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. Okay? Bear in mind, it is 6. 6 times negative 4. 6 times negative 4 is equal to negative 24. So, we have answered now the product of the three integers. We have negative 24, and this negative 24 will be multiplied by negative 1. So, we have now two negative signs, right? So negative 24 divided by negative 1, this is going to be positive 24. Okay? So here in answering this, we are going to solve this one at a time. 2 times 3, so we have 6, that's positive 6. Then 6 times negative 4, that is definitely equal to negative 24. Then, after which, we are going to multiply negative 24 using the last number, which is negative 1, negative 24 multiplied by negative 1, that is definitely equal to positive 24. Okay, so let us try to answer number 10. We have negative 2 multiplied by negative 5, two negative integers multiplied with the same signs. The answer here is equal to positive 10. Okay, it's positive 10. Then 10 times 1, that's equal to 10 because 1 here is still positive. So 10 times 1 is positive 10. Then 10 times negative 6, that is obviously equal to negative 16. So the answer here is negative 16. So this is all about multiplication and division of integers. Always remember that if you are going to multiply and divide integers, always take note that if we have like signs, this means to say that they have the same signs. Meaning to say, we have two integers being multiplied, both are positive and both are negative. That is true to multiplication and division. So the product sign will be positive, as you see here. Then if we have in division, we also have positive sign if they are with the same signs. If we have unlike signs, okay, by looking at our different mathematical sentences in multiplication and division, just like this, we have plus multiplied by negative, the answer is negative. Negative multiplied by positive, the answer is still negative. Positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. Negative divided by positive is still equal to negative. Just remember, if we are dealing with unlike signs in multiplication and divisions, if the signs of two integers which are being multiplied and divided, if they are two different signs, then the quotient or the product signs must always be negative. I hope you learned something about multiplication and division of integers today. Thank you so much.